Hello children, please open your computer reader on page number 18. As we know that the computer is a very useful machine that can do many jobs at the same time, and it is used almost everywhere. So today we will study lesson number 2, role of computers, and we will read where the computers are used today. So children, let us read the use of computer in different fields. Now we will learn about the different places where the computers are used. Let us read. Computers are widely used in different fields such as home, schools, shops and offices, banks, hospitals, railway stations and airports, space research and defense, learning new skills, and it is also used in designing. Now let's read in detail. You must have seen computers at many places. They are used in almost all fields and play an important role in our life. Computers can be used for at home, watching movies and listening songs. Then for searching information on any topic, for playing games, in doing your homework. So at home we use them in so many different ways. Now at schools, keeping records of books and helping teachers in teaching. Number 2, making timetable, making report cards and library records. Then doing practical work in lab, helping to draw and color. Now computers are also used in the shops and offices. How do we use them? Keeping record of items, typing and printing the bills, sending and receiving messages in offices. So you must have seen, so when you go to some shops to buy something, then they will type some the names of the items, and then they will print the bills, and then you get a printout of your bills, then you pay the money. Now come to page number 19. Computers are also used in banks for keeping the details of bank accounts and taking out money from ATMs. You must have visited ATMs and you must have seen how your parents are withdrawing money. At any time of the day they go to the ATM. When the bank is closed, at that time also you can go to the ATM and get the money. Now the next place where we use it is hospitals. Keeping records of patients, preparing medical reports and x-rays. You can see in this picture this x-ray is made, then it is taken with the help of a computer. Helping doctors to know more about diseases and their causes. So in hospitals, when you go for testing your eyesight also, the doctors are using computers, and to detect so many diseases they are using computers. Now next place is railway stations and airports. You can see in this picture it is a railway station, and how it is used there. The computers are used for booking tickets, then keeping records of all the passengers and giving information about arrival and departure timings of the trains as well as of the airplanes. So if you are traveling by a train, you can check the timings of the train before you reach the station. Now the next place where we use the computer is space research and defense. How do we use it now? Finding information about space, about the different planets and about the different heavenly bodies. Then sending rockets into space. Can you see this? Before sending the rocket to the space, the scientists have to see in the computer, and they study everything about space, and then they launch it. Then they launch the rocket. Helping the military to make security weapons also, computer is useful. Now learning new skills, learning how to drive a car or fly an airplane, and learning different languages, learning cooking, and so much more. You can use your internet and you can learn so many things, new skills, using the computer. Now come to page number 20. Now the last place where computer is used is for designing. Do you know this textbook also is used, has been designed using the computer. Now let us read. Designing clothes, cars, machines, buildings, etc. Computers are used for designing the clothes, designing the cars, designing the machines, as well as buildings. Then designing and printing books, newspapers, magazines. So computers are used for designing the and printing the books. As I told you, this book is printed and it is designed with the help of a computer. Then making cartoons and animated movies. You must be enjoying cartoon movies on the television. So all those movies, cartoons movies, are made and they are designed with the help of a computer. So for the time being, children, we take a break from this lesson. Then tomorrow we will learn about the role of computers in learning and teaching. So you just read this lesson at home till page number 20, and tomorrow I will continue with the next other part of the lesson. Okay children, goodbye and take very good care of yourself and keep learning.